morning, students. Today we are going to see question pattern of quarterly examination. 21 words, 20 marks. 7 out of 10, 2 marks, 14 marks. That 30th question is compulsory. 7 out of 10, 3 marks, 21 marks. 40th question is compulsory. 7 either or questions, 5 marks. 35 marks, totally 90 marks. This is the pattern of the quarterly examination. Chapter 1, matrices and determinant. First, minus. Let A is the determinant of A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. First row, second row, third row. First column, second column, third column. We can find out every element. A11 minor is M11, A12 minor is M12. Like that, for example, we can find the M minor of 21, minor of 21, 21. Then we delete second row and first column. We get A12, A13, A32, A33 is the minor of A21, that is M21. Another example is M32, 32 is A32, minor of A32. Delete third row and second column. We get A11, A13, A21, A23. This is the minor of A32. Cofactors. Cofactors. Formula is Aij is equal to minus 1 power I plus j Mij. This is the formula. For example, for that same determinant, A21 is equal to minus 1 power 2 plus 1. Minor of A21 is M21, that's equal to minus 1 power 3. M2 minor of A21 is A12, A13, A32, A33. This is the minor of M21. That is A32 is equal to minus 1 power 3 plus 2. The minor of 32 is A11, A13, A21, A23. Now we are going to recall inverse of a matrix. Inverse of a matrix. First, singular of a matrix. Singular matrix. A square matrix. A square matrix A is said to be singular if determinant A is equal to 0. Non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. A square matrix square matrix A is said to be non-singular if determinant A not is equal to 0. Adjoint or adjacent of a matrix. Adjoint or adjacent of a matrix at A is equal to cofactor matrix Aij transfer is the adj A. Inverse of a matrix. Inverse of a matrix. Inverse of a matrix formula is A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adj A. We can find A inverse only if A is non-singular. A is non-singular. And solution of a system of linear equations. Let 2x plus 5y is equal to 1. 3x plus 2y is equal to 7. We can write the given equation. The given equations can be written as 2, 5, 3, 2 coefficient matrix. X, Y variable matrix. 1, 7 constant matrix. It is in the form A, it is X is equal to B. The solution is X is equal to A inverse B. This is the solution of the system of equations. Input, output, analysis. Consider two industries. The solution is X is equal to I minus B inverse into D. I is unit matrix, minus B is technology matrix, D is the final demand. The Hawking-Simon conditions of viability. For viability, there are two conditions given by Hawking-Simon conditions. Only the system is viable only both two conditions are satisfied. First condition is the main diagonal elements in I minus B must be positive. Second condition is determinant I minus B also must be positive. The system is viable only when both the conditions are satisfied.